Think about your workday for a second. Most of it happens in a browser, emails, docs, dashboards. A dozen tabs open at once. That's where the work actually gets done. And that's exactly where Perplexity is stepping in. They've launched Comet Enterprise, a browser built for companies with AI built into it from the ground up. The idea here is very straightforward. So instead of adding AI into each application, they're bringing everything into the browser itself. Comet runs on Chromium and it has an AI assistant built right into it. It can read what you're looking at, summarize it, help draft responses, and keep things moving without you jumping between tabs. And of course, it can go beyond that. It can handle tasks that move across different tools. Check your Gmail, update your calendar, pull information from one place and use it somewhere else. You still stay in control, don't worry about that. But the steps in between get handled. So the obvious question is this just another extension? No, it's not. This is built for enterprise use. More than 500 policy controls for IT teams, a central dashboard, deployment across Mac OS and Windows, and logs that track what's happening. Because in a company setting, you need oversight as much as capability. Security is a big part of this. Perplexity says enterprise data isn't used to train models, which is a good thing. And it meets standards like SOC 2, GDPR, and HIPAA. They've also partnered with CrowdStrike for monitoring and protection while the system is running. So there's a clear focus on keeping things very, very secure. This also actually connects to their computer system. That's the setup that coordinates around 20 different AI models. Comet becomes the place where all of that comes together. You open the browser and the work flows through it. Another detail, of course, worth noting is Perplexity isn't tied to one model, which is a very important detail. It can work across different systems depending on the task. That, of course, as we can understand, gives us flexibility. At the same time, it means it depends on those external models as well. So if this catches on, the way people work could actually start to change. Less switching between tools, more happening in one place. The browser becomes the center of the workflow, and over time, that can shift how software is used. Here, of course, is the big question. So the question is, if most of the work starts happening inside of the browser, what happens to everything else? And this, we believe at Front Page, is only the beginning. Please do let us know what do you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. You know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.